all facilities. So here only first year students ka workshop will be conducted. Okay, and you belongs to which branch? Please tell me.
Ma'am, computer science.
Ma'am, computer science engineering.
Okay, computer science engineering. All are same branch. The total section is
Yes,
computer science. Okay, good. So you all are from different places, na? Anyone is from like outside India? All are from India only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So hostel allotment, everything is over?
Yes, ma'am.
And I think this is your first visit. You will be coming with your parents, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Initially, instead of having these academic sessions, definitely your tutor mentors will be like showing different campuses under this KIT university. So you'll be visiting entire campus. Why? Because you should know where is that and where the bank is, where the ATM center, where the higher officials will be sitting, where the administration is sitting, and departments. Entire KIT university you will be having a visit. Then after having proper idea, like then your academic session will be starting. I think Saturday, Sunday you can have the visits. Then from Monday onwards, Monday or Tuesday, if it will start from your academic session will start from Monday, then our first class is BMS only. So where you have to go for this BMS lab, where is that mechanical engineering, everything you can see on Saturday or Sunday itself. Okay. If they start on Monday, our first class BMS will be on Monday only, 8 to 11. So by 7:30 you have to finish your daily activities and breakfast. You have to fresh up, then you have to complete your breakfast, and you will be available by 7:55 in the department. Okay, with proper uniform. So don't worry about uniform, something like that in the first class itself. So definitely we will give some time to you. Okay, so as it is a practical session, that too you are going to performing the experiments. So definitely you need to wear some apron. So violet color, blue color apron is designed, so that you have to purchase from stores, and shoe is compulsory. Okay, so you are going to, it's not a small machine or something like that, it's a heavy machine tools. Okay, so you should be very much careful while performing the practical experiments. Okay, so
Now, will the lab could be available nearby?
yes,
KIT?
within the campus only entire things will be available, all your requirements.
Okay.
So your records, your notebooks, everything is available. Even if you see that location, around that gate, a huge number of shops are there. Okay, to purchase anything like whatever you want. Just like that is one kind of KIT university is located in Patiya. So that Patiya has developed. You can't say like this item is not available in Patiya. That is one kind of advanced Bhubaneswar city. Because of KIT, that particular area has become like that. So you will get everything. And that too within our campus, number of food stalls, number of canteens, number of stores. Within the hostel also your stores are available. No need to go out of hostel campus also. You will get everything within the hostel. Why? Because in that surrounding itself, in that campus itself, your King's Palace, like that 1, 2, 3, some numbering is there, na? So within that, you will be having your stores to purchase your groceries and your like records. Everything is available, and all branded shops are also there nearby. Whatever you want, you can purchase and you can enjoy. Okay, along with your academic schedule, first priority will be given to your academics. Okay, then all your requirements will be available. No need to worry about that. Okay. Then so apron is compulsory. Okay. Don't say like, madam, I'm unable to wake up and I'm unable to find the apron, like that. You have to come with the apron. Why? Because your dress may be like spoiled during your workshop. So you have to wear apron, and then shoe. Shoe is compulsory for this lab. For this lab. Okay. Shoe for girls and boys. Shoe and apron is compulsory. You have to come with these two, but not for first class. Not for first class. Okay. So you will get some idea within 1 week, like within 2 days, Saturday and Sunday itself, where the aprons, records and available. So every week in this workshop, 4 different sections are there, like fitting, casting is not there, fitting, turning, sheet metal and welding. Okay, these are the 4 different operations you need to perform. Okay, so for each operation it may take 3 classes, and 4th class you will be having a quiz test, like student evaluation will be performed. So student evaluation means whatever the section has been completed, from that we will conduct once like experiment kind of thing. You need to be like comfort with that particular exam, like a particular section. Okay, so then in terms of some job you have to perform, and 1 quiz test you have to appear. Okay, so total 4 classes will be allotted for each section. 3 classes will be allotted for your demonstration and your practical experiences. 4th class is student evaluation class. During that time, we will be checking your record and conducting the exam to you related to that particular section. Then again, second group, first of all total strength will be divided into 4 groups. 4 groups will be allotted with 4 different experiments. So after first 4 weeks, then all students will be finishing 1 experiment now. Okay, group 1 may be fitting, group 2 may be welding, group 2 may be sheet metal, and group 4 may be like welding, fitting, sheet metal and machining. Okay, again shuffling will be taking place, like group 1 will go to group 2, group 2, group 3, group 3, group 4, like that we will change the experiment. Again next set of 4 weeks, 3 weeks discussion and practicals, then 4th week evaluation related to that performed experiment. Like this, 4 experiments, 4 for the 16 weeks, your semester will be over. Then last May you will be having 1 more evaluation, final end semester evaluation will be there. Okay, so anyhow I will here I will show you one thing. By sharing the screen I will show you the evaluation also. What you can see now? Are you able to see? Whole myself, Dr. B. Sureka. Then other faculty is also there. Dr. S. Satpati. She is also from mechanical department. This is like a subject name and subject code and credits. This course is having 2 credits, and that credits like this program like lecture, tutorial and practicals. So here instead of lecture we can say tutorial. So how you need to do that will be explained for 1 hour, and remaining 2 hours may practicals. Okay, LTP means lecture, tutorial, then this practicals. Then course outcomes, each course will be having certain outcomes. No? By keeping that in mind, we will be deciding the maybe number of experiments, yeah, course syllabus. So same thing here also has been repeated. Like at the end of this course, means at the end of this laboratory session, students are able to, like, these are the 4 things, nothing but course outcomes. Understand the mechanism of metal removal from the workpiece using the lathe machine tool. So how a metal can be removed from the metallic job by using, so there are number of machine tools. So in this, at this stage, like in the first year phase, we will be utilizing this lathe machine tool for the removal of the material. Okay, so this is based on this first objective. You have to do some practical experience or practice with lathe machine, that you are going to do. So with that, first objective is done. Then second, understand the basic method of joining 2 metal pieces. So we know that how to join simple things like paper, yeah, some plastics or something, but how to join it to metal pieces? Okay, so that to join 2 metal pieces, definitely we have to use some technical method. That is nothing but a welding process. You might be seeing like roadside number of welding shops are there making our window frames and all. We need to go for welding. So you will be having practical experience like how to do that welding, how it can be performed. With your hands you will be performing the experiments. Okay. So that's why one welding experiment is designed in this lab. Then understand the concepts of fits and their applications. So this is nothing but fitting. Okay. So once if you go through that fitting related experiment, you can understand how what are the basic concepts and fundamentals, basic knowledge required for making a proper fit. Proper fit. Even you can see to open a like a pen cap also you need that proper fitting. If after some time your lower portion to insert that refill and all, if it is loosened, you are unable to fit that. Okay, so different types of fits are there. Basically why that fit is required and where you can have that fitting kind of applications, all those things you will be learning and you will be practicing during fitting experiment. So with that, your third course outcome will be satisfied. That is understanding the concept of fits and their applications. Okay. Then understand the sheet metal operations and their uses. This is related to your 4th experiment. Okay. Sheet metal. So first outcome, if you see, that is a metal stock. Metal stock, making some component by removing the material, that is dealing with the metal piece. And 4th outcome, if you see, sheet means thickness is less. Okay, so by this kind of material, using this material, what kind of operations you can perform, what kind of products you can produce, where it can be used, and what are the tools we need to be required during performing this particular operation. All those things you'll be knowing after performing that sheet metal experiment. Okay, so these are the course outcomes after completing your course, you are able to like you'll be a experienced person under these four categories. Okay, so all this introduction part I will explain you when you come to university. So directly just I will show you these things. Don't worry, I will explain if you come to the university. Next Monday we will discuss. Okay, so this assessment plan only just will discuss. Class work write up. So as it is a lab record, so definitely you need to maintain a record now. So as there are 4 experiments, each experiment ke liye 10 marks, so it will be 40 component. Then quiz test. After each session, you will be having a evaluation. So for that ke liye 5 marks. So 5 marks into 4 sections, so 20 marks. Then overall quiz. After performing 16 weeks, that 17th week will be a end semester examination. So that will be like a Viva kind of thing. So from all 4 sections, we will be asking questions and you have to say, or otherwise randomly you will be provided with some questions, practical experiment you need to do. So that depends upon the availability of time and all we will be deciding. Okay, otherwise only Viva session. So if it is a Viva session for 4 sections, so 5 marks. So total overall end semester examination, that Viva session will be conducted for 20 marks. No, that is quiz. Quiz is for 20 marks. And end semester Viva will also be there. So that Viva ke liye 20 marks. Okay. So this quiz is at the end of all 4 sections. This marks. Okay. And this 20 is for after each session one quiz will be conducted. Now this is for 4 sections. 4 5s are 20 marks. Okay. So this is the final quiz. This is final Viva. Total end is for 40. Okay. And day-to-day performance ke liye I can say 40 plus 20, 60. And then total 100 marks. This is your pattern for evaluation. Distribution of marks, okay, out of 100. Then this is for offline ke liye. Online model, and your section is offline. Na? So job performance, you will be performing the experiment. So 4 experiments you will be performing. So each experiment ke liye 15 marks, total 60 marks. And record you need to maintain. So that is for each section ke liye 5 marks. So 4 sections, 20 marks. And see here, there is no evaluation, I think. I'll confirm you on next Monday. So till last semester we are conducting like that, 3 weeks for practice and 1 week for evaluation. But here they have removed for offline classes that evaluation. Let me confirm this. I need to ask this lab coordinator. Okay. Then end semester exam, 20 marks. This is very simple. Offline mode. Job, you do the job, you will get 60 marks. Then record you write, you will get 20 marks. Then end semester Viva voice is conducted for 20 marks. Your total is 100 marks. Okay. This is the pattern for mark distribution for offline mode KDM. And even if you have any doubt, you can we will discuss in the next class. Like Monday you will come now, directly we will discuss. Now I am going to show you one video which will be showing all the facilities available in the lab. You please watch that video. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. This.
Now no sound is coming.
Sound is not coming.
No, ma'am. For the sound, ma'am, open it in Google Chrome and share the Google Chrome tab.
Now what is happening? If I open the video from my side, any problem are you facing? Like voice is not clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Voice,
My voice is simply not there.
voice is not there. Now you see. Once again, I will start that. Now you tell.
Additive manufacturing lab, there are various processes of additive manufacturing.
Now tell me, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Voice is coming, but not clear.
Not clear. See, this is only one class for this for your section. Next week, if you want, I will project in the classroom. Okay. So for this
Yes,
KPI, please manage why to send again link and all. So please go through this video. Even if any things are not clear, I will discuss with you in the on the next coming week. Okay.
But we are fortunate to have one quota security created by the statistics agency, an American company. Here we can create the conceptual model to 3D existing part, 3D physical part. And it is given for the example of Industrial 4.0. You can see anywhere, you can print anywhere. Around the globe, you can operate these machines very beautifully. And here the machines is a photos to PMC, and here you can print polycarbonate material, ABS metal, or different types of materials. And it's having beautiful display, and it shows the significance and the complexity it is. We can create very 3D complex part to the real object. In the models you can see here. Non-traditional machine. Sometimes traditional there must be a physical contact between the cutting tool and the workpiece, which may or may not be non-traditional machine. And one more thing, there must be an electric machine between the cutting tool and the workpiece in case of the traditional or conventional machine process, which is not required in case of the non-traditional machine process. So this is one of the non-traditional and non-contact type machine in which there is no contact in between the cutting tool and the workpiece. So here is the tool holder, and here the workbench. The workbench is to be kept. The work is to be kept on the workbench, and the cutting tool should be made across to it. That means there must be a gap should be maintained in between the workpiece and the cutting tool, and the whole workpiece and the cutting tool setup must be immersed inside a suitable dielectric medium. And the dielectric is normally the manufacturer should supply EDM oil, or it may be a de-ionized water, or it may be kerosene. However, the dielectric must be a non-conductive material, and it is what is the principle of electrothermal vaporization. That means whenever certain electricity is supplied to this electron, so particularly there are two types of connection. One is state polarity, and the other is the reverse polarity. In case of the state polarity, the electrode is connected to the negative terminal, and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal. But in case of the reverse polarity, just the polarity are reversed. That is, the electrode to the positive and workpiece to the negative. So normally we use with the state polarity, that is by connecting the electrode to the negative terminal and workpiece to the positive terminal. So in this case, whenever there will be a supply of electricity into the workpiece and the electron, there will be flow of electrons from that electrode towards the workpiece, and there will be flow of positively charged ions from the workpiece towards the electrode. So whenever there is a flow of this charged ions inside the dielectric material, the dielectric molecules are being charged. Hence, there are also plasma-like substances in between the workpiece and the electron. So due to the high velocity of this highly charged electrons from the workpiece, the kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy, and huge heat is developed. A temperature of around 10,000 degrees centigrade is developed there, due to which is sufficient to melt any type of hard materials. And the configuration of this vessel is to material removal in case of very difficult to measure materials, and also electrically conductive material. It's a must requirement that the material which is to be measured by using this electrical distance electrically conductive and difficult to harden. That's all about EDM. So, ultrasonic machine. So this is again a non-traditional type machine, but it is a contact. So here, the cutting tool and the workpiece remains contact with each other through a hybrid motion. The workpiece vibrates at an ultrasonic frequency of 90 to 25 kilohertz and at an amplitude of 15 to 50 microns. So you can see here, this one is the sonotrode at the end of which the tool is mounted. And this is the workbench on which the workpiece which is to be machined, that is kept there. And the machining space in between the tool and the workpiece is filled with a water-based abrasive fluid. So whenever the sonotrode and hence the tool vibrates at a frequency of 90 to 25 kilohertz, there is a continuous impact on the workpiece by the tool through the abrasive particles. Above we know the abrasive particles are the multiple particles having a number of sharp cutting edges. So whenever these sharp cutting edges hit the workpiece at a gradual interval of time at a frequency of, as I mentioned, 90 to 25 kilohertz, micro cracks will be generated and erosion will be there. And there will be certain brittle fracture developed in the workpiece, and that brittle fracture will be converted and hence the material will take place. So that is the principle behind the material removal process in case of the ultrasonic machine. And the area of application. Normally, there is not requirement of any whether the one material should be electrically conductive or not, as in case of EDM. But in this case, whether the one material may be electrically conductive or not conductive, that doesn't matter, but it should be hard and brittle enough so that the one material can be removed suitably through erosion and micro cracking or micro erosion. So, by using this machining process, we can easily machine the precious gemstones, glass, hardened steels, and other very hard materials which are unsuitable for machining by any other machining process.
This machine is a CNC machine. CNC stands for computerized numerical control machine. This is a fully automated machine. So in this machine, generally used in industry for manufacturing difficult products automatically. Why we are using this machine? We know that because this machine is an advanced machine. For advanced machine, we are using this machine. And also we are cutting different hard material and performing different complex manufacturing products. Milling machine, optical, CNC, can also CNC machine. This is the specification of the machine manufacturer is DAY-3. DAY-3 stands for Bharat. These winners Agni class BME 45 DC 24 in the machine. Ordinary this machine they are using for simple surface finishing and also doing different complex profile. They are also doing here. Mostly this machine we are using for research because nowadays in industry various research processes are going on. So for that, it is a very vital area in manufacturing. So in this machine we are generally here in our university. We are generally doing various research processes.
The welding section. And this is one of the finest facilities School of Mechanical Engineering University. And here we are not only providing potential solutions to the students, but also we can give very accurate solutions to the industries. And here we are performing arc welding process. And apart from arc welding process, we can also do various types of gas welding process, such as gas tungsten arc welding or tungsten arc welding process and gas metal arc welding process. And here we can also have a special facility for the gas welding process. This is the gas welding process, and this is the whole setup. You can see where one pipe carrying the argon and carbon dioxide gas, another pipe is carrying oxygen gas, and here we have, you can just see, we have 6 numbers of booths, and one of the booth is called the master booth, where all the major type of operations can be done. And apart from this master booth, all 5 other booths, the students can carry out their operations. And here we have the furnace, and we have 400 type machines, which are very efficient machines. You can just see there are the machines from furnace and evac 400, and these are very efficient machines. We can give very accurate results and very good welding strength they can provide. And here we have, you can see, there is a very huge dock which carry the hazardous gases which are produced during the welding process, and so that our students and whoever is doing the research can be safe. And this gas is eventually out to the outside. And here we have the argon gas, we have the argon gas cylinder, we have the oxygen gas cylinder, and they can give the gases and efficiently, and 24 hours into 7 days we can carry out the welding operations, and all the welding operations can be done simultaneously. So this is all about the welding, gas welding section. And here we can also provide brazing operation. Apart from this welding, we can also do the brazing, soldering, and any cutting operations also we can do. Gas cutting also we can do. So this is the huge setup that the students can learn a bit of welding process.
Dear student, this is the message of our central workshop. This workshop belongs to our mechanical engineering department. In this machine shop, we have various machines like lathe machines, these are the lathe machines. Okay. We have at a time 15 students can do their turning work, different lathe machines. Actually, a student they have to produce their turning job. Like suppose they are preparing a cylindrical shaft, they are preparing a threaded knot and hole. They also doing various turning operations like fishing, thread turning, capper turning, knurling, and looking wash. They also produce high cylindrical job in this conventional lathe machines. We have various types of machine tools inside the machine shop like lathe machines, grinder machine, run cutter grinder machine, bench grinder machine, milling machine, stepper machine, cutting machine, captain and turret lathe machine. We have various machine tools, and you are using the machine tools for training purpose. This is made for our UG and PG students, and somehow for PhD students in their project work. And this is the coolant crusher grinder machine. Actually, we are using the machine tools for various type of finishing work. Suppose we are going to produce one shaft. Initially, we prepare the shaft by using the lathe machine. And then after producing the shaft, then again you have to hold the coolant crusher grinder machine for finishing purpose. That finishing you have to produce the outer surface very tight one. This is for the surface grinder, and this machine is being for finishing work. Suppose you are producing a rectangular or square type block, and there are various surfaces in that block. same kind number of sites. Naked mount on the machine. This is the holding device of the surface. Random machine. This is a random exam. And first we hold the job on the table. Then we finish all the sides of the block, like whether it is a square or rectangle. What happens when we join two rectangles or holding blocks? There are some extra methods that joining surface to take them and finish the outer surface. Generally, we do it of traditional kind for road work. This is called pillar drill machine. Whenever we want to make a hole on a particular job, then we have to put the workpiece or blocks with this table. Then, according to director required, then we have to hold and raise it in the pillar drilling machine. Then, for our direction, we have to use the cutting to make a hole, particular that is the drilling of it. This we are using for this also for drilling purpose, but usually what happens is when we have a 12 millimeter drill, suppose 0.5 millimeter to 12 millimeter, then we have to hold the knob in a particular sensitive drill machine. Then according to our weight of the drill, we have to get the drill bit to make it into the center machines. And we are using the machine tools for finishing the primary surface. And generally we are producing E-blocks, grooves, and E-weight by using the center machines. This is the universal drilling machine. You are using the machine tool for producing different types of gears like for gear, helical gear, civil gear, and reactant gear. Also, besides the various types of gear, we also produce surface finishing by using a one-point cutting tool. That is the milling operation. We are producing various types of finished product by using the milling.
Yes, students, if you have any doubt, we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Anything to ask now?
Okay.
These all are the advanced facilities that are available in our central workshop. Okay. So advanced machine tools like CNC, EDM, then ultrasonic machining process, then 3D printer, then some welding section. They have elaborated. Okay. So, next week we will discuss our this thing. Then now Satpati madam will take the attendance and all. You please. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, what kind of practical copy do you have to make, like the one we make in physics and chemistry? That kind of practical copy.
That kind of one.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, we will tell you next Monday how to write your record and all. We will explain it.
And so next Monday we don't need any practical copies.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
You please come with your regular dress, formal dress. Then next week, say after that week, like you can purchase your shoe, apron, and records and all. You can come with the proper uniform and records next week. Okay. Suchismita madam, please carry on.
Good morning, dear students. So let me first take your attendance, then only you can leave the meeting. Roll number 5429.
Yes, ma'am.
The total mark is 100. So 100 divided by 4 means 25 mark each section. So every class after every section means all classes will be 3 classes, 3 into 4. 12 classes will be there. Lastly, one viva will be taken and one quiz also, final quiz also taken. And every class you have to give quiz of each section. Suppose fitting section, it will take 3 class. In the third class, you have to write quiz and as well as you have to write your lab record within the time. Suppose 8 to 11 means within 8 to 8:15 or 8:20, you have to submit your quiz and then the record you have to submit. So the mark will be distributed accordingly. And day-to-day performance means every day you are present and you are listening the class, first class, and video will be also shared in the virtual mode regarding our lab. So everything, your attendance, your presentation, whether what you are doing in the class, everything will be shown in your mark. So regularly you have to attend your class. Okay. Anything you want to tell? You have anything you have to ask or you have to tell. Else we'll end the meeting.
मैम आपने 515 के लिए अटेंडेंस मार्क किया है?